Hello everybody. If you're interested in buying a Turbografx EverDrive, I would suggest why not. You can have all the games for a fraction of the cost on each individual one separately. All you do, you go to the EverDrive store, you buy this. And simply you put all the games on the chip like this, and you put it inside like so. Now if you have a Turbografx, all you gotta do is flip a little switch that's right here. Now it's good for a PC Engine or a Turbografx 16. And once you put the games in, you slide it in, turn it on, and voila. You have all your games. And then you simply press run on your controller, and there'll be a load screen, and there you go, and you have the game. Good luck. It's very much worth it.